Hello, this is a Parcel Fabric tutorial, a quick 2-minute demo of a Parcel Fabric feature. In this video, I will show you a new geoprocessing tool available at ArcGIS Pro 3.1 called Export Sequenced Parcel Features. Let's get started. I'm starting with a configured map. In this map, I have a Parcel Fabric showing only parcel polygons with a transparent fill and light gray borders. If we look in Catalog, you'll notice I have another database. In this database is a dataset with parcel polygons, lines, points, and record feature classes. I've added these feature classes to the current map into a group that I've called Title Map. You'll see that I've also symbolized these with a much bolder and visible style. We'll see why in a moment. Now that I have a single parcel selected, let's open up the new geoprocessing tool, Export Sequenced Parcel Features. I'll set my input as the Fabric Polygon feature class that I have selected. I will drag the dataset from the separate database I showed a moment ago. This is the location where all my features will be exported. I can continue to reuse this location as the features will be overwritten every time the tool is run. Next, I can choose my starting sequence location. The lines and point feature classes will have a sequence string field, and this location will dictate where the sequence begins. I will leave it as northeast, which means that this corner will be my sequence starting area. I'll leave the other formatting parameters as default and click Run. As the tool completes, you'll see that those feature classes have been updated and we see them in the map. I have labeled the line's distance values and the point's sequence values, which you can see starts in the northeast corner. Let's open up the polygon attribute table. In the table, you'll see that I have a single polygon feature class and all of its attributes. In the lines feature class, I have the parcel lines and all of the extended attributes plus the sequence field. The sequence value represents the sequence of the lines starting from the northeast corner and then going clockwise around the parcel. Finally, the point feature class contains all the points and the point attributes. And as you can see by the labels, it has a sequence field as well. The points are sequenced clockwise starting at the northeast corner. Now, in another video, I will show you how to utilize this geoprocessing tool and layouts to create a simple title map from the features being exported. Please see the links below for more help and information regarding this new geoprocessing tool. Thank you very much for watching.